Every day, millions of people wake up and work, chasing something. But at the end of the month, nothing changes. Bills come, pressure builds, and somehow the money is never enough. But something changed recently. Not in America, not in Europe, right here in Africa. A silent shift powered by AI. And for those who understand it, it's already generating income every single day. Close-ups, tired faces, traffic, phones, late nights. Most people think making money online requires a degree, connections, or leaving the country. But that's no longer true. The real problem is not opportunity, it's awareness. Because right now, with just a phone and internet, someone in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya can build something that pays them every month. AI is not the future anymore. It's already replacing work, speeding up businesses, and creating a new kind of income, not jobs. And those who learn to use these tools don't just work harder, they earn smarter. Right now, content is one of the fastest ways to make money. But here's what most people don't see. The biggest pages are not run by experts, they're run by systems. Using AI, content can be created faster than ever. Scripts generated in seconds, videos edited in minutes, thumbnails designed instantly. One person can now do the work of 10. And businesses are paying for this. Because attention is currency. Freelancer working on laptop. Notifications popping. Instead of building your own page, you can help others grow theirs. Small businesses need videos, designs, captions, but they don't have time. So they outsource. And this is where beginners win. Because with AI, you don't need years of skill. You need speed, consistency, and basic understanding. Start small. $10, $20, $50 jobs. Then scale. One client becomes two becomes five, and suddenly it becomes income. $1,000 per month doesn't come from one big win. It comes from stacking a few clients, a small content page, a simple system. Together, this is where most people fail. They look for shortcuts. But the real strategy is consistency. Build once, improve daily, scale gradually. Tone shifts slightly serious. This is not instant money, not overnight success, but it is real. And right now, it's one of the few opportunities where location doesn't limit income. The only difference between those earning and those watching in action. A new kind of economy is forming, and it's not waiting for permission. The question is no longer, is it possible? The question is, will you start?